Hello, sound engineering friends. In this video, the continuation of yesterday's video is the valve. Currently the valve is installed in a round shape. This is the engine part of the Chevrolet car that suffered damage to the piston due to running out of water. We give the valve that we take off with a sign so that it is not mistaken when reinstalling. The valve we clean with gasoline. This is the shape of a Chevrolet car valve, with a round center hole. Part of the axle crutch is okay. I will continue to work. Thanks for being up on my channel. See you in the next video. Best wishes all.